Welcome to C++ tutorial for beginners. In this video, we are going to learn about C++ OOPS concept. Today's learning motto: it's never too late to learn anything. In this video, we are going to learn these four OOPS concepts. Four basic OOPS concepts are encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, and inheritance. Before learning that, we need to know what is object and what is class and what's the difference between them. First, we can deal with object. In the first video, we have already discussed about the object. So, object is a real world entity which has its own states and behavior or attributes and methods. In this diagrammatic representation, the car in left side is considered as template from which right side car is constructed. So, the left side car is class and right side car is like an object. The next point in object definition is object is an instance of class. Here we found a new term called class. What is class? A class is defined as a blueprint, which means consider a class as a template from which we can create an object. Now you will understand the definition of object. Object is an instance of a class because class is like a template from which we can create a object. Let's move into OOPS concept. First one, encapsulation. Binding code and data together into a single unit is known as encapsulation. It is like a protective shield. In this, variables or data of a class is hidden from any other class. Let's take the example of a capsule. In the capsule, the medicine is always safe inside the capsule. Similarly, through encapsulation, the methods and variables of a class are well hidden and safe. Next one is abstraction. Hiding internal details and showing only functionality is known as abstraction. Let's deal with a real-time example. Assume ATM machine as an example. We'll be using an ATM machine for cash withdrawal, money transfer, checking balance, etc. But we don't know internally what things are happening inside ATM machine when you insert an ATM card, right? So hiding those details and providing only the access is known as abstraction. Next one is polymorphism. If one task is performed in different ways, it is known as polymorphism. Actually, the word polymorphism is a combination of two Greek words. Poly, poly means many, and mo or ph, morph means forms. Let's deal with a real time example. A person at the same time can have different characteristics, like a man at the same time can be a son, can be an employee, a father. So, the same person possesses different behavior in different situations. This is called polymorphism. Finally, inheritance. When one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object, it is known as inheritance. The real life example of inheritance is child and parents. All the properties of father are inherited by his son. See, in this diagram, father is a base class and son is derived class because son is deriving all the properties from the father. Thank you. In the next video, we'll be writing a hello world and try to learn how to build it. Thank you.